Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus key battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and a fresh CR2032 lithium battery. It's important to make sure your hands are completely dry before you begin to avoid any moisture-related issues inside the key fob. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Your first step is to remove the emergency key. Look for a small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide the metal key blade out from its housing. Once the emergency key is removed, you will see a small indentation or slot inside the key fob where the metal key was stored. This opening is crucial for the next step. Now, carefully open the key fob. Insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver or coin into the indentation you just exposed. Gently twist the tool to pry open the two halves of the key fob cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging the casing. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new battery, ensuring the plus side, marked with a plus, is facing upwards. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob cover and press them together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the metal emergency key back into its slot until it clicks. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure that it is functioning correctly and your vehicle responds as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.